Hi, in this super short video, we're going to explore how to add an add-on to your Google Docs and also how to use a specific add-on named Word Generator. So let's get started. Is we scroll over across the toolbar, let's go to where it says add-ons. You'll see I have a few here. You may or may not have some. But where you're going to get them from is right here where it says Get Add-ons. And in the G Suite Marketplace, there are just so many different add-ons that you can experiment with and search for and try. If you don't like them, I'll show you how to remove them. It's simple. So I'm going to look for Word Cloud Generator. There it is, because I've searched for it before. I'm going to click on it. It'll take probably a couple seconds to install. Get ready to install. Choose an account. I have a couple accounts, so that's why it's prompting me. And then it wants me to read the fine print and say, allow Google to use this application. So it's going to take a few seconds. And once it installs, then we'll X out of our G Suite Marketplace window by saying done and then clicking on the X. And now when we come over to add-ons, we should see it right here. When you look at Word Cloud Generator, you'll see there's a classic and a modern version. We're gonna use the modern. It has a couple more options in it. You'll also see that right down below Get Add-on is Manage Add-ons, which is where you can easily go to uncheck the add-on and to delete it if it's one that you don't find yourself using. All right, so first thing I want to do is go get some text that we can use to play with in the word cloud. So I'm going to search for JFK's inaugural address, and I'm going to get the actual text from that address. I'm going to get it from a valid website, which is the JFK Library. And so when that opens, we'll see there's the video and there's also the actual transcript, the words of the speech, which is what I'm looking to be able to copy and paste. So here it is. I'm going to click Command C on a Mac, or it can be Control C, and Command V or Control V to paste it into my untitled document. So now I have some text to use in Word Cloud. So I'm going to come back to my add-ons. I'm going to go down to Word Cloud. And remember I said we're going to use the modern version. We'll click on that and it opens in a sidebar window, and we can already see which words are kind of the most important words in this speech. Pledge, world, sides, human, nation. So you can actually view it in this small window and you'll see the choices that we have for what to do with this word cloud. We can download it just as an image, as a JPEG, I believe it is. You can append it to this document so it exists right in the same document as the text. And you can do that in the large size or the small size. And then you have some advanced options. Let's see what's behind that tab. So when we click on advanced, we can change some of the color palettes. So I'm going to select dark and colorful, and I'm going to append it right to my Google Doc. So now that I've clicked on that, it might take a minute, and just below the text, there's my word cloud. And again, we can start to examine what was important in this inaugural address. Words like nations and country, power and world. So it's a great way to analyze content in a speech, in a magazine article or any kind of text. And it's a super way for students to examine their own writing. So they can make a word cloud out of their own essay and see maybe if they've overused a few words or not. Like, is it a 5-paragraph essay and they've used the word very 10 times? So they can see that easily in this very graphic display. So that's how to use word cloud and how to go in search of other add-ons for Google Docs. Besides Docs, you can find add-ons for slides, for sheets, for forms, even for Gmail. So check them out when you have a chance. Okay, that's a wrap.